Hi kids, welcome to the class. Let's learn how to write the letter T. To write uppercase T or big T, start at the top and make a line down. Then go back to the top and make a line across. Let's try it again. Down, across. That's the letter T. Now why don't you try? Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase t or small t. Start above the middle and make a line down. Then go back up to the middle and make a line across. Let's try it again. Down, across. Excellent! Now check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter T. Next, let's see what words start with the letter T. T for tea. T for tiger. T for tree. Say it again with me. T. Tiger. Tree. Good job! For our next video on how to write the letter U, please subscribe to EllieFun.